Watery eyes during a yawn? Your body's overreactor in chief is at it again. Let's spill the tears. Yawning squeezes your muscles, forcing tears out like a stress ball. It's your DNA's weird flex to keep your eyes moist or embarrass you in public. Fun fact, you produce 15 to 30 gallons of tears in your lifetime. Blame yawns, chopping onions, or bad romantic comedies. But here's the kicker. Animals yawn too, but only humans get teary-eyed. Thanks, evolution. Comment if you've used the "I'm not crying, I just yawned" excuse. Follow for more biological pranks.